Do you ever feel stuck? You have this creative block. You don't know what piece of content to make next. You know you need something creative, something surprising, something memorable, something, anything, but nothing comes out. That happens to me all the time. Stuck, frustrated, annoyed. I get it. It can get overwhelming in a dark place very quickly. Instead of berating yourself or turning YouTube for inspiration, take a deep breath and try this. Work out a sketch script, then just play with the material. Think of it as a warm-up exercise. And what you're doing is stretching and activating that creative muscle in your mind. It doesn't matter what you write down. What matters is that you're doing the thing that unsticks the creative flow. And trust me, something from that will stand out. You grab that point and then restart the whole process. Take a deep breath, sketch it out, play with the material. Yes, it's work. It's not easy, but like everything we do, it gets easier the more you do it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't even have to be good. It's just an exercise to fire up those neurons that perhaps have been a little dormant and need some help waking up. Focus on what matters to get through the noise. You've got this.